Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Back here on EA Sports, James Cebulski along with Ray Ferraro, who's down at ice level. This should be a fun one here this evening. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
Both teams lined up in the middle. We are ready to get things underway. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about.
Pecorine was a 7th-round draft choice somehow. He never played, but the Predators found him and drafted him.
Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of the puck off the draw. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's a chance! Denied by the goaltender. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. From the boards, he takes that pass. And that's picked off in front. Team Finland's moving it into the offensive end. And he makes the save.
Oh, we'll get back and look at that hit from just a bit ago, James. In a scoreless game, you're looking to gain the upper hand. Physical contact is one way.
Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Kazakhstan's on the attack. On the attack along the boards. Taken by Granlund. Here's a short pass to Granlund. Off the glove, and the puck skips away. Oh, and another big stop.
Really good stop. After he made the first one, he's got to find the puck, and he's in position again.
Move to the middle. Takes a shot. Comes up with the stop. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that slides right out to center ice. And leaves the comfort of his crease to play the puck. Great burst of speed to come up with it. Over the line they come. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Looks to set up along the point. Looks to set up at the point now. Takes a shot. Big save by the goaltender.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Quick pass to Filppula. Here's a chance. Lets it go. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. And now he angles it across to Aho. Filppula's got it deep in the offensive end. With the stop.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Finland's got the puck behind the net. And it's a quick pass to Aho. Slides it back to the blue line. Takes the feed. Moves the puck. Moves it to Heiskanen. Puts it on net. That one's off the blocker. Into the offensive zone. Team Finland's gained possession along the boards. Tries to get the puck over to Komarov. Through pass ahead. Back to the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Aho. And he slides it quickly to Heiskanen. And he caught him when he wasn't looking. What a hit. Penalty coming up here as the play is stopped. This is a good old-fashioned hooking the call here.
He looked like he was water skiing. Man, you got to move your feet. You get your stick around his waist, you'll get called.
Team Kazakhstan's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Their first power play of the game. The game is scoreless, and now they'll start offensive zone face-off. Move the puck around, get it to the net, and try and impose your will on the other team.
5 minutes, 30 seconds.
Lets one go. Comes up with the stop. Nice pass. Here they come on the attack. Ahead of steam now towards the front. And now it's grabbed by Vatanen. Now over to Granlund. And he slides it quickly to Vatanen. Rocked him in the open ice. Big time play right there. Quick feed to Mata. Takes the feed. Granlund sliding the puck behind the net. Handles the puck at the point. Barkov's got the puck. Lets it go from the slot. Wide.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target.
Move to the middle. From the blue line, they take control of it. And the PK unit gets their man out of the box. Gets in front of it.
Well, the only thing that happened on that power play was the clock rolled along. Very few chances, not much danger. Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through them.
Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Line A's moving the puck through his own zone. Here's a short pass to Granlund. Denied by the blocker. Kazakhstan's got the puck along the boards. Finland's got it behind the net. And now he moves it to Line A. Great timing to come up with the interception. Line A's got it in the offensive zone. With possession along the wall. Now a quick pass to Komarov. And that's taken by the defense. Puck grab by Ristolainen. Carries it in. And now he moves it quickly to Lindell. Puck scooped up by Komarov. And it's a quick pass to Lindell. Here's a chance right out in front. Donskoy's caught with that high stick, and a penalty is coming up. Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
Team Finland sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, James, statistically, we know that you score the first goal of the game, you're going to win well over 55% of the time. So that first goal is critical. Now you've got a great chance because you're on the power play.
Barkov's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Here's a shot, and puts it right over the crossbar. And now he tries to get it across to Mata. Receives the pass, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Carries it across the line. Moves the puck along the half wall, and that's broken up. And now it's over to Granlund. Rantanen's got it along the wing and tries to make a diagonal pass to Mata, trying to get the puck out of his own end. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, that's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
And he slides it quickly to Rantanen. Sends the pass over. Takes a shot, denied by the goaltender.
Doesn't look like much, but the defensemen are helped out by this puck being in the corner.
Man advantage fails to deliver, and both teams back playing at even strength with the score still tied.
I can't imagine the coaches are going to be very happy with that. This is a really good piece of video to show the players, though, because you showed them great, you had it in the zone, but there was no danger generated on that power play.
And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, makes the save. That was a rocket. Here's a shot. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a reaction. Takes the feed at the back end. Quick pass to Komarov. And now he angles it across to Donskoy. Scooped up along the wall by Honka. And he slides it quickly to Honka. And now he moves it to Komarov. Punks the puck away. Puck picked up by Honka. Through the neutral zone up along the wing. Slides the puck over. Moves it to Teravainen. Moves right to the middle. And he sends it across to Honka. And a great save. Picked up along the wall by Donskoy. And now he tries to get it across to Honka. Taken by Komarov. Here's a shot and makes the save. Referees signaling for a penalty. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Sends a pass over. And they send it right back to him. And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Official blows the whistle. Let's see what the call is. Komarov's going off to the box for 2 minutes.
It doesn't take very long to get on the wrong side of the play. You're a step behind. You've got to slow that guy down. You can't catch him. Maybe you can get away with a hook. Not here.
Just tried to play catch-up and got burned. Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Doesn't matter whether you've had 1 or 10 power plays. The fundamentals of it are the same. Win the draw, get the puck to the point, try and spread the penalty killers out.
14 minutes, 2 seconds.
Granlund's going to play it against the half wall. Finland's got the puck along the wall. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Uses the force on that hit. Slides the puck near the front of the net. And that one's stopped.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go. Lindell's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Kazakhstan's got a hold of it against the wall. And a heads-up kick pass over to his teammate. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. There's a shot. Oh, what a great stop as he got a piece of it with the glove. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. Tripping is the call. Did he sell or is that the right one in your mind?
I think it's the right one. He looks like he's picking up speed and the stick gets into his feet.
As we get set for the face-off, a chance to see both teams in a little 4-on-4 action here.
Puck control is critical on a 4-on-4 as the game is right now. Face-off holds greater importance to me when you're down a man on each side.
15 minutes, 37 seconds.
Handles the puck. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. It's an opportunity for the power play unit to go to work now as the penalty expires. From the right side and up the middle. Right in front. Can't connect. Deep inside the defensive zone, trying to clear the puck. Off the glass and out of the zone. Consider that a win for the penalty killers for now.
You bet it is. Now they can get a change, get some fresh people on the ice.
Slides it across. Centered out in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Trying to get the puck out of harm's way. Finally, Ray.
Yeah, they do get it down the ice. I thought they held their structure pretty good. They tried to clear the puck a couple times, couldn't get it out. Now they're exhausted. Finally, they can get a change.
And now it's over to Granlund. Stopped by the goaltender. Here's a chance right in the slot. Oh, big collision there.
James, he had the homing device on there. He saw the chance and lowered the boom.
Takes the pass. Moves it quickly over to Barkov. Team Kazakhstan's looking to break out of their own end. Takes the feed. Gets it to the other point. Now a quick pass to Lindell. Moves the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Lindell. And that goes off a player. Moved up ahead here in the neutral zone. At center ice now. He grabs the puck. Knocked away. Puts the puck on net. Stopped by the goaltender. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Here's a shot. And there's the save. Loose puck battle along the boards. Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. From the left side, he moves it up ahead. Team Finland's got a hold of it along the wall. With the bank pass. They've got numbers. Passes it over to Filppula. Picks it up, and they turn on the pressure. There's the horn bringing period number 1 to an end. Still no score in this one.
Fans, a portion of tonight's proceeds will fund a children's playroom at City Hospital, providing a safe, fun environment for kids visiting long-term.
Second period still to come. We'll take a quick pause and be right back with more action. Clean sheet of ice, period 2 is set to go. Second period underway. We're still in search of our first goal in this one. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
Team Finland's pace of play is something they'll be really happy with. They've had the puck most of the time. They just haven't been able to break through yet.
What a save! He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. Back at the point, they set it up.
Man, they've worked the puck around so well on this shift. They've totally worn out the defending team. About two things are going to happen here, it seems like. They're going to either take a penalty or they're going to give up a goal. This is a great shift.
He got all of that hit on the play. Here's an odd man rush to his teammate. Nice pass. Takes the feed. Moves close to the point. Oh, he'll feel that one. He's got a little jump. He's in all alone. Tries to feed it over to Granlund. Moves behind the net. Handles it along the blue line. And the puck skips out of the zone. They'll have to regroup. Here he is. He's got a step. What a stop by the goaltender.
He's right in position as he follows the shooter and snuffs that chance away. Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Strong defensive effort. Pushes it across to Ristolainen. Quick feed to Kotkaniemi. And it's a quick pass to Lindell. Receives the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Comes up with the stick save. On the attack along the boards. Pinned up along the boards. And the puck's kicked free. Look out! From against the wall into the open ice. And he comes up with it. Filppula swooping in on the attack. Right up front! And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Takes the feed in the middle of the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Sends the pass over. Takes the pass to the offensive zone. Feeds it down low. And now it's grabbed by Filppula. Gaining momentum up along the side. Slides the puck over. Makes the save. And sends it just out of reach. Over the line they come. Feeds the puck to Donskoy. In all alone on the breakaway. Here's a shot. Tracks it perfectly for the save.
Sometimes your best move just isn't enough. I can't find fault to the move. The goalie's just better.
Rocks him. Scores! What a shot!
That's a scorer's goal right there. That puck is on and off his stick in a hurry. He's so tight to the net, he has to get rid of it before the goalie can readjust.
Team Kazakhstan's offense has come alive. You might say someone figured out how to use the controller here, Ray.
It looks like it. At least one guy has. A one-goal lead, they'd like it to be more.
55.
Slides the puck ahead into the neutral zone.
Time of the goal, 5 minutes, 15 seconds.
Good hit. Sends a pass over. And he slides it quickly to Donskoy. Takes a shot, and that one's turned away. Grabs the puck. Into the offensive end now. Finland's gained possession along the boards. Here they come on the attack. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone and makes the save.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Team Finland's looked good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. Up along the wing. Fires it into the offensive zone. Finland's got the puck along the boards. Into the corner. Slides the puck down low. Right in the slot. What a stop. Taken along the wall by Koivu. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. Filppula's got it across the line. And here's a shot. Beautiful glove stop on that one.
I wanted to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. That goes off a twig. Takes the stretch pass in the open ice. Handles the puck. Pass back to the point. Hammers a shot. Makes a save. Cool and calm under pressure. Puck grabbed by Barkov. Here they are on the attack. Sends it over. Sends it out right in front. Turns it away.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
Slides it up front. Battling for it along the boards. Here's a short pass to Rantanen. Carries it in. Here they come. 3 of them. Here's an opportunity. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper. Broken up at center. Mata's got it against the boards. And he slides it quickly to Vatanen. Gets a piece of it with the glove.
Earlier, we saw him make this move and hit the goal post. It was a terrific shot. The goalies always love their posts when they help him out. Heck, Patrick Roy used to carry on a conversation with his.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Oh, here we go. Oh, if there's going to be a regret in this one, that might be it.
Yeah, that play is right there to be had. They just missed the pass. The scoring chance goes away.
Team Finland's got the puck along the wall. Granlund's got it on the offensive end. Here's a shot. He scores!
Now you got to keep clawing back. Trailing in the game, they get the equalizer. I think the goaltender's got to do a better job. There's only one player in front of him. He's got to look around and find where the puck is. He never picks it up until it's past him.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. It's all tied up. Puck is dropped and play resumes.
Goal scored by number 60, Marcus.
Puck knocked loose in the neutral zone.
By number 45,
Takes the feed at the point. Blocked in front. Trying to get back on the attack now. Slides it over with pace to Granlund. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Takes that pass back at the point. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Komarov's got it into offensive territory. Grabs it in his own end. Back to the point it goes. Here's a chance behind the net. And he rings the post. Donskoy setting up behind the net. Now a quick pass to Lindell. Right to the middle. One-time blast. Oh, going wide.
Not going to get many better chances from that. Dead center, right in the slot.
Finland's got a hold of it against the wall. Teravainen's carrying it ahead. Teravainen's got the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Takes the pass. Glove save. Quick reflexes.
Granlund's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Koivu's won the faceoff. Intercepts the pass. This could be something. Takes the shot. Takes that one right in the logo. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead. Well past the midway mark of this period, we are all tied up in this one. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Quick pass to Filppula. They've got the defense outnumbered. Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. Carries it across the line. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Honk has got it in the offensive zone. Redirect in front. Nice save by the goaltender to get a pad on that.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
With possession along the wall. With authority. Reads it. He might have a step here. He's in. Oh, what a save. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Along the wing up the neutral zone. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Snaps it on net. Turned aside with the glove by Rene.
Quick glove hand here. He gets the glove out to make the stop. Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Getting into the later stages of this period, you can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Shoots it with the stop. Kazakhstan's got the puck in their own end. Keeps possession. Through center along the wing. Moves the puck along the half wall. Just wide of the net. Team Finland's gained possession along the boards. Here's a shot. Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Along the half wall with the puck. Knocked away. High sticking penalty coming up. Did he cut him on the play? Time for the official to pass down his sentence. Line ace getting a double minor for the high stick.
Pretty reckless play with his stick, and he's going to get a double minor for his troubles.
And it looks like he cut him on that play. Another scoring opportunity looms here.
Oh, here's another power play, James. They haven't been very good so far tonight. Nothing to show for their previous attempts. So now you have to get back to it, adjust, and re-attack on this man advantage.
16 minutes, 55 seconds.
defender's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Looks to set up at the point now. Oh, and the goalie catches a break there. Here's a chance to get it out of their own end. And they do just that.
I thought they did a pretty good job there, James. That's a time you can get yourself running around in the zone. They didn't get there.
Nice dish from the left wing. Look out, a 2-on-1. Puck scooped up by Lindell. And manages to clear the zone. Trying to get something going here with this man advantage as they start from their own end. Slides it back to the blue line. Takes the feed. Laying the body. Finland's got the puck along the boards. Gets it out of his own end. Team Kazakhstan's regained possession of the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Approaching the final 60 seconds here in the second. Denied by the goaltender. Slides that one right across the blue line. Oh, what a chance!
Oh, James, he tried to get rid of that in a hurry. He just misses.
Moves the puck. And he makes the save. Back to the blue line. And a good use of the body to knock the puck loose. Granlund's got it along the wing. Makes the glove stop. And that brings the second period to an end. We are still tied at 1.
Hey kids, don't forget if you're a member of our rookie team, you'll have the opportunity to have a couple of our players sign autographs after the game.
Don't go anywhere. The third period is just moments away. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray, I'm James, and we are ready to kickstart this third period. Team Finland's shorthanded unit gets off to a good start. They win the draw and take early possession. That's sent in deep. Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. Over the line they come. Moves it around along the half wall. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. Puck picked up by Vatanen. And look at this, a 3-on-1. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck. Pass right back. Finland's got a hold of it against the wall. Granlund's going to play it against the half wall. Nice pass. Takes a shot, comes up with the stop. Puts it towards the net. Scores! And he puts his team in front.
James, this game looks really comfortable as a tie game. Now they're ahead. They've got to continue to push. Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Team Finland's up by 1 now here in this third period.
You don't have much breathing room, but I guess it's better to be in front than behind. They'll want to continue to try to forecheck.
By number 16.
Here they come on the attack.
Assisted by number 64, Michael.
Finland's got a hold of it along the wall. Team Finland's got the puck inside the defensive zone. On the attack along the boards. Takes the feed. And that one's broken up. Nice feed inside the offensive zone from the boards. And he gains the zone here. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the pass from the boards. Puts it to the front of the net. Finland's looking to break out of their own end. Koivu's swooping in on the attack. Here's the pass. Scoops up the puck now. Receives the pass. Takes the return feed. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Team Finland's got control of it now from their own end. Here's a chance. With possession along the wall. And he regains control of the puck. Kazakhstan's got the puck behind the net. Carries it in. Finland's gained possession along the boards. Moves the puck along the half wall. And now he moves it quickly to Line. With the blast! Misses over the net.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
Team Finland's got the puck along the boards. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Honka. Along the half wall with the puck. Nothing doing. Sends the pass over. Honka's lugging the puck. Carries it across the line. Snaps one from the slot. Gets a glove on it to make the stop.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance. That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. It's 2-1. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Mata. Handles the puck at the point. Slides the puck over. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Move to the middle. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. They've got numbers. Sends it across. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Another stop by the goaltender. A little banging and crashing now.
He's going to need some help here. He's pretty clearly struggling on the ice. Banged up in this shift somewhere. Just wants to get the puck out to center ice and get the heck off the ice.
Moves it around along the half wall. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Centering pass! Puts it on net. Nothing! Sends a pass over. Centering pass! Big save!
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
Finland's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Barkov's won it in their own end. Quick pass to Barkov. And he slides it quickly to Rantanen. Taken by Ristolainen. Here's a blast! Makes the save! Look out!
Barkov's dangerous and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
Nice feed from the boards. Rantanen's got it against the boards. And now he angles it across to Granlund. Takes it across the blue line. Handles the puck. Move to the middle. Here's an offensive chance. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Stopped by the goaltender. Big save by the goaltender once again.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. It's a 2-1 hockey game. Back underway, and they take possession here and scores! We're all tied up!
And now their bench has a little more belief as they've evened up the score. Wow, did he snap that back clean. It's right on the tape of the shooter, and he hammers it home.
Team Kazakhstan's counter-punched back to even things up in the third.
There were times it looked like they weren't going to get back to this point, but now you've made it a sprint to the finish.
And play resumes as the puck is dropped.
Scored by number 16.
Takes it at center.
By number 12.
Moves it to Kotkaniemi.
Time of the goal.
Slides the puck over to Granlund. On the attack along the boards. And now it's grabbed by Kotkaniemi with the stop.
Great tracking. He finds the puck. He gets the glove up, makes the save on a dangerous chance.
The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Over the line they come. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Comes up with the stop. Here in the back half of this period, the next goal could be a big one as we are tied. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Centering pass! Lets the wrister go. Misses that by a wide mark.
I'm not sure how he ends up delivering the puck like this, but this is a great scoring chance that doesn't even turn into a dangerous one.
And he completely misses the net.
Sometimes you look at video, he doesn't want to see that again.
Centering pass. Here he is from the slot. Blocked in traffic. Here they come on the attack. Takes the feed at the back end. Oh, and he misses an opportunity there.
Looking to be too perfect. Get it on the net. You've got a better chance to squeak one through the goaltender than if you miss it outside the net.
Gets in front of it.
Smothered that in close chance.
Team Finland's got the puck along the wall. Jostles the puck loose. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Beats the goalie, but can't beat the post. And he gets a whistle after they've been under siege here.
They look like five strangers trying to defend in front of him.
No
Finally,
kidding.
he's able to cover it up. I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Koivu's won the draw. And he slides it quickly to Heiskanen. Now a quick pass to Heiskanen. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Wrist one in front. There's the go-ahead goal, and we have a new game.
Taking the lead now, you control it. You push the pace, you push the other guys back on their heels. A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
Finland's gone ahead by 1 here in the third period. Still a few minutes left, but time of the essence now.
They're in a good position here now that they have the lead. They can control how they want to run their lines onto the ice and try and bring this home.
Back on a stick now. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Moves the puck.
22 seconds.
Kazakhstan's got a hold of the puck. Carries it in. Here's a shot. Denies him on the play. Nice pass. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play.
No need to be risky with the puck when your team's winning the game.
Fires one on goal. Answers it with an even better save. Komarov's moving it ahead. Komarov's got the puck. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it against the wall. Up along the wing. From the right side, takes the pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. From against the wall, it's centered out. Takes the feed. Nearing the point. Winds up, lets it go. Stops the rocket of a shot. Grabs the puck in the corner. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Back at the point, they set it up.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can...
He scores! And how about that to even things up here late in the game?
Well, they just stayed at it, James. I don't know if there's anything particularly beautiful about the play, but it doesn't even matter. You keep plugging away and look for the tying goal. He didn't waste any time. If he would have stopped that puck, the goalie would have had time to readjust. As it is, it's in the net.
Kazakhstan's goal has tied things up late in this third period.
Two ways to go about this, James. You attack and try and win it now, or you protect the point by getting it to overtime.
And now he moves it to Granlund.
By number 19 and by number 10, under the goal. 15 minutes, 15 seconds.
Nice feed from the goaltender. Drills him. Moves it quickly over to Granlund. Receives the pass. And that's picked off. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Shot right in front. Off the stick. And another stop.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
And now he moves it quickly to Rantanen. Into the corner of the attacking area. And now he tries to get it across to Barkov. Knocked away. With the steal. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Carries it across the line. And the defenders come up with the puck. Into the offensive zone. Tried to make a move and the puck hops away. Oh, great glove save. Where'd that come from?
Gonna take just one mistake now, and this game will probably be decided. It's not there. That's an outstanding save.
A critical draw here. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Sends the pass over. Laine's got it in the offensive zone. Kazakhstan's gained possession along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Puts it on net. Shuts him down. Puck grabbed by Granlund. Quick feed to Ristolainen. Granlund's got it along the wing. Fires it. Oh, that just goes wide.
Gonna be disappointed. He's got a chance to be the hero late in the tie game.
There's the whistle. Offside is the call.
Oh, neither side breaks. A little bending here, but the goalies are keeping this tied. And there is an outstanding stop.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, we got a tie game. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Lindell's going to play it against the half wall. Stopped by the goaltender. Great reflexes, another save.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
Here's a shot, denied by the goaltender. Here's a short pass to Lindell. Filppula's got it across the line. Handles it along the blue line. From one point man to another. Lowers the boom with that hit. With possession along the wall. He says, let's get physical on that play. Moves it over to Ristolainen. Here's an odd man rush. Slides it across. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Moves the puck along the half wall. What a chance!
At some point, you got to get this puck on the net. I know he doesn't miss by much, but the goalie doesn't even have to make a stop.
Pass to Koivu. Slides it on over to Donskoy. Puts it up front. And it's a quick pass to Ristolainen. Snaps it on net. Gives them nothing in front. Still nothing solved as the third period comes to an end. We've got overtime looming.
Do you know someone in your community who goes the extra mile to help out? Nominations for our Team Player Awards are available in the...
Overtime is just moments away. Anticipation ramping up in this barn. You can just feel it right now. Moment of truth for both sides. Sudden death, overtime. Let's get it on. Stopped by the goaltender. A lot on the line here in this offensive zone faceoff. Team Finland's won the faceoff. Sent into the opposite side. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the boards. Puts it on goal. Overtime winner! They score! Regulation couldn't solve anything between these two teams. We get overtime and we get ourselves a winner.
And a nice one, too. It's a hard-fought game. The teams were pretty equal. Obviously, they get to overtime. But I like the way this finished. Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there, and he puts it away.
For my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Thanks so much for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.